Two capacitors of equal capacitance C1 and C2 are as shown in the figure. In the figure, initially, while the switch S is open, one of the capacitors is uncharged and the other capacitor is charged with charge given as Q naught. The energy stored in each capacitor is equal to U naught. Okay, in the charged capacitor is equal to U naught. Okay. Sometimes after the switch is closed, the capacitor C1 and C2 carry charge Q1 and Q2. Respectively, the voltages across the capacitor are V1 and V2, and the energy stored in the capacitor are U1 and U2. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, we have to find out which of the following statement is incorrect. Okay, after certain time, voltage is equal to V1 and V2, and we have to find out which is incorrect. First of all, if both capacitance are connected in parallel, the voltage across them will be same. So after certain time, V1 will be equal to V2. So we have to find out incorrect answers. So option number C is correct. Okay. So we will not tick that answer. Okay. Now over here V can be written as Q1 by C1. Okay, is equal to Q2 by C2. This is the voltage obtained and the charges obtained after certain time. Okay, after certain time. Now it is given that both the capacitance are same. C1 is equal to C2. So I can say that Q1 is equal to Q2. So option number B is also correct. So we will not tick that answer. Now what about the energies? The energy will also remain same. Energy of the first capacitor will be equal to half Q1 square divided by C1, and energy of the second capacitor will be equal to half Q2 square divided by C2. Now U1 by U2 will be equal to Q1 by Q2 the whole square into C2 by C1 the whole square. Since C2 and C1 are same, so this ratio will be equal to 1, this ratio will be equal to 1. So energies will also be correct. So option number D is also correct. So we will not tick this answer. What about the initial charge? Okay, so option number okay. What about the initial charge over here and initial energy? Okay. Now the initial charge over here can be the initial charge when the switch S was not connected. Then what will happen over here? If the voltage over here is equal to V, which remains constant, I can say that Q naught is equal to C into V. Okay. C into V. Okay, that is the initial voltage. Okay. After that, okay, after certain time, it is the second capacitance is also connected, and after certain time, what will happen is the total over here, the voltage remains same. So the total charge, let the charge on C1 be equal to Q1, and let the charge on C2 be equal to Q2. Okay. So over here, I can say that the total charge in this case Q1, or I can say that the total potential, the total charge in this case will be equal to total capacitance in parallel, that is it will be equal to C1 plus C2 into V, okay, or V1, let me call this as V1. Okay, so V1 over here in the second case will be equal to Q divided by, since C1 and C2 are same, I can write this as 2 times C1. Okay, and this will be equal to V2. Okay, this is the potential will remain same. Okay, after certain time. So what will happen in this case? Okay, Okay, this is equal to C1 into V. Okay, so the charge carried, so the potential across one V1 is equal to Q1 divided by 2 C1, and V2 over here will be equal to Q2 divided by 2 C2. Okay, now the total potential, now instead of C1 I will write Q naught by V. Okay, I will write this as Q naught divided by V. Okay, so it will be V1 is equal to Q1 divided by 2 Q naught divided by V. Okay, 2 Q naught divided by V. So basically I can say that V over here will be equal to Q naught divided by V. Okay, or I can say that the potential now over here in this case, okay, the total charges developed on both the total charges developed will be equal to Q naught will be equal to Q1 divided by 2 capital V divided by V1, and Q naught can also be written as Q2 by 2 into V divided by V1. Okay, so basically if I add both of them, it will be equal to 2 Q naught will be equal to half into Q1 plus Q2 into V2V, or V divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2, but 1 by V1 and 1 by V2 both are same, so it will be equal to 2 Q naught is equal to half Q1 in plus Q2 into Okay, V1 and V2 both are same, so it is equal to 2 times V1. And since the potential remains same, V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V, so this part will get cancelled out. Okay, so over here 2 will be in the numerator and not in the denominator. Okay, so over here it will be equal to, okay, and V1 and V will get cancelled out, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So Q naught will be equal to half into Q1 plus Q2. Okay, so the total charges will be equal to average of the initial charge will be equal to average of the total charge developed on both of them, and Q1 and Q2 will remain same. Okay, over here. Okay, so option number A is also correct, so I will not tick this option. So the only incorrect option is E, so I will tick only option number E.